Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. Guys, in today's video we are going to cover Kaspa, its recent price action. Of course, we are going to cover holders, and on the top of that we are going to cover a couple of very interesting charts for BTC and altcoins as well. So ladies and gents, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and a quick disclaimer that this video is not financial advice. And now let's hop into Kaspa's dashboard right away. So we are trading at 15 cents. The volume is sitting at 73 million USD and the market cap is sitting at 3.6 billion USD. Now the current award is 104. The next one is going to be 98. Next reduction is scheduled in 10 days. We are sitting at 83% mined. Hash rate is sitting at 351 petahash per second, and all-time highs are sitting at 374 petahash per second. Guys, a quick update of holders. So let's start from 10K. So in the last 48 hours, on the 23rd of June, we're sitting at 77,790, and as of the time of recording this video, we are sitting at 77,920, which gives us 130 new holders. Now if it comes to 100K, we are sitting at 20 new holders. If it comes to 1 million, we are sitting at 10 new Kaspa millionaires, well, in terms of Kaspa's holding. And if it comes to 10 million, we've got one less. We are sitting at 247. All right, guys, let's have a look at Kaspa's chart. All right, so first things first, this is a 2-hourly time frame, very short time frame, but let's cover it first of all, right, to see what is going on. So we have two double touches of that resistance that belongs to that bullish pennant, and now, guys, obviously with that beautiful recovery of the market, Kaspa is thriving as well. So we have reached that level of, let's say, 15 cents. And now we are obviously being rejected. Also, stochastic RSI is showing us that most likely at the time of recording this video, we are going to experience a little bit of a pullback, right? Now let's have a look at 4-hourly time frame, guys. So 4-hourly time frame, we still have some fuel to go. And now, guys, let's have a look at the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is obviously building up that momentum for Kaspa, right? And as you guys can see on the daily now, zoomed out, we have this, bullish pennant, which obviously is a bullish pattern, as the name says. And also the stochastic RSI is showing that upward movement, right? And now we are nowhere near that zone of previous, overheated area for stochastic RSI for a Kaspa. Let's actually quickly throw a ribbon at it. Ever since 20th of May, we have flipped a green on the daily chart for the moving averages. And now, guys, let's actually have a look at the weekly time frame and let's see how things are looking at from the standpoint of the rainbow itself. Let me get my drawings out. And now, guys, we are still trading in that level, right? Lower level of that Kaspa's rainbow. Now, the only concerning fact is this, right? This is the concerning fact over here, is that, we are overheated on the weekly time frame. Could we technically experience a sell-off? Well, I don't necessarily think so. We have never dipped below that rainbow. Nevertheless, we could, right? I'm not saying that we will, but stochastic RSI is obviously showing us that momentum, but obviously that could be trading just sideways, and we could actually come back to these levels, right? So obviously that is concerning a little bit. I'm not really concerned long term. Obviously long term, guys, Kaspa obviously is a killer, right? So if we are going to experience a pumps that are similar to the previous ones, like in November 23 and February 24, we could, let's say, expect around 35, perhaps even 40 cents for Kaspa with the next pump. Of course, that bullish pennant is more likely to happen first, rather than 40 cents, right? So I would definitely anticipate, let's say level of 20 cents for Kaspa, rather than 40. So let's actually, see that level of 20 cents, and then we are going to obviously reevaluate the chart. Now, if it comes to ETFs, guys, as of yesterday, 24th of June, we are sitting at $174.5 million of outflows. Well, it is what it is. And now let's cover some charts, guys, all right? Because the traded target rate is saying that Bitcoin daily RSI has come below 30, which is the oversold zone. Last time when RSI was minus 30, BTC was at 25k range and it surged to 73k in one go. Whales accumulate their tokens when the assets are oversold. Exactly, guys, when there is a fear in the market, this is the time when we should degen into it. Of course, I'm not saying that you should buy whatever. It's not a financial advice, it's just my opinion, right? This is where the money is made, right? But unfortunately, most of Jeffries are actually selling at the time because they are scared, and they are buying when whales are offloading. I hope that makes sense. And now guys, shout out to El Crypto Prof, and this is a daily chart for BTC. He's saying that whether 2017 or 2021, both outcomes would be great for the crypto market. But when he looks at the sleepiness of BTC, it looks very similar to 2017. Close to the one-day EMA 200, consolidation around the previous all-time high. If you take a closer look, things don't look bad at all. Guys, so let's have a look, right? 2017, right? These were the previous all-time highs in 2014, right? Let's say 2013, and this was the 2017 when we reached the previous all-time highs for BTC on a daily chart. And obviously that was a choppy sideways price action that was boring, and that was obviously shaking out lots of Jeffries, right? After that, we saw a huge parabolic run, and we also get supported by EMA 200. And now guys, if we are going to look at this exact same scenario, you know, previous all-time highs in 2021, and at the moment we are retesting that EMA 200. So guys, I do believe that fireworks are about to come this cycle. And now shout out to Titan of Crypto. Most impulsive bull run? What if this bull market is the most legendary of all? I know many of you are scared now, but the best is yet to come. This market is for the patient ones. Guys, let's have a look, all right? So every single time we are narrowing, if it comes to these moving averages, 100 and 200 moving average, then we are experiencing, you know, a huge pump for BTC. And this is exactly what happened now when we have, you know, cross and then possible cross. So as you guys can see in the previous cycles, that was just narrowing and now crossing. So that could potentially mean, you know, a huge breakout towards the upside, and that is a weekly chart, by the way. And now guys, he's saying that a red signal has appeared in the better RSI for BTC. Over the past 2 years, this signal has always predicted that Bitcoin is very close to bottoming out or has already reached the local bottom. Choose your side. Guys, let's have a look. 2022, right? We had a dump, and obviously when RSI dipped significantly, what happened? Well, the proper pump did, right? Just like in 2023 again, and now 2024, guys. So, well, I don't know how about you, but I'm not scared at all. You know, this is, in my opinion, again, the best time to scoop up some crypto. And now, referring to the previous chart of the Scalping Pro, if you guys been watching previous updates, he had two scenarios, right? The scenario number one was that we are going to go upwards, you know, right away, or scenario number two, which is, you know, hitting that critical support must hold type of a zone, you know, and BTC actually did, and now we are experiencing that bounce. Well, maybe not necessarily such a huge bounce for, you know, BTC itself. Nevertheless, it is actually there, but altcoins are actually, you know, obviously printing much more gains. So guys, let's see what is going to happen now. And now even the Scalping Pro is saying that daily RSI just entered the oversold zone for the fourth time since the 15,500 bottom. Guys, so last time that happened, we were sitting at 24,000 BTC, you know, roughly. And after that, this is what we have experienced for price of BTC, right? Just like in March 2023 and November 2022. This, guys, in my opinion, is just a beginning. And now, shout out to Jelly. He's saying that meme patterns will save the day. Once again, bullish flag right below all-time highs. And this is obviously BTC's chart, guys. So, you know, on the top of that, we do have that bullish flag that is brewing for BTC. Guys, don't get shaken out because the best is yet to come. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace and love, crypto.